Hey guys, welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Today I will be sharing with you a tablescape for Easter, and it will be a little bit more of an untraditional tablescape using some really pretty jewel tones. You guys know I love to get creative, and it's been about a year since I came with a tablescape, so guys, we're gonna have fun with this one. So I went in with these really pretty peacock colored jewel tones, and I brought in lots of greens, a little bit of whimsy. You guys, you know how I do. So we're gonna probably start with the place settings, and we'll go through that quickly. So I have this really pretty jewel toned napkin that I absolutely love in that peacock color, and I have accompanying that a really pretty gold toned napkin ring with beading. And then I also use this really pretty embossed salad plate from Z Gallery. It's so gorgeous in person. I went with the cream dinner plate because I just needed something to break up all of that color, and then a clear charger with gold beading for accents. And then I rounded it out with some gold flatware, and I think it looks really pretty together. I also use these really pretty Pure One stems. I absolutely love these. These are some of my favorite stemware, and they're absolutely stunning. I just love the way they look. And I rounded that out with the DIY placemats that you see there. As you guys know, I love using my DIYs. Now going to the centerpiece, I basically laid everything out on a gold tray and a neutral runner. And then I went in with more of those blues and greens and those jewel tones, but the greens are a little bit muted, and I love the way it looks with that sort of sagey green that works so well with this peacock blue. I have my centerpiece on a gilded pedestal to give it some height, and then I added in some of this really pretty glitter bead garland in that jewel tone that works so pretty with green. On both sides, I created these cute little vignettes that are so whimsical and cute for the Easter holiday and going into spring. I have this really pretty sculptural candle holder rather. I think it's so pretty. And what I did was I bought in some more of my DIYs. Like for instance, I have these DIY candles that I did last spring. And with that, I also added in a blue little candle holder on this side with another DIY candle. On the other side, once again, I used the DIY candle and another one of those sculptural little candle holders and those blue tones that we have here and little bunnies, and I just think that they work so well together, bringing all of those colors together with the jewel tones and the greens and the sages and little pops of creams here and there. So I just love the way these colors look together and the way they work together. So guys, I hope you like the way they look also. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out and allows others to find my videos. And also make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell twice so you'll know whenever I upload a new video. So guys, so happy to be back once again and making these videos for you guys. I'm so happy that you were able to stay to the end, and I hope to see you in the next video, and thank you all for watching.